Easy Breathe ventilation system and service. Proper ventilation is extremely important to maintaining a healthy home. The fact is that poor ventilation and air exchange can worsen indoor air quality by allowing contaminants like mold, VOx, radon, toxins and allergens to build up. This can have both short-term and long-term effects on your health. The Easy Breath system is the most powerful dehumidifier, air purifier and ventilation system available on the market today. Why choose the Easy Breath system? This system has several advantages that have made it a popular choice with homeowners. Lower energy bills. It costs only between $2 to $4 per month to operate. Reduces allergies, asthma and other symptoms linked to poor indoor air quality. Is eco-friendly and energy efficient. Requires minimal maintenance, no more changing filters. Has a sleek, modern design that fits in nicely with any interior. One unit provides proper air exchange for the entire house. What does the Easy Breathe do? Most homes have closed-loop ventilation systems that simply recirculate the same air in the home. However, proper air exchange is essential to maintaining a healthy home. With just one Easy Breathe unit, you can effectively reduce indoor air pollutants, remove moisture from the air, keep temperatures at comfortable levels, eliminate odors, ensure proper air exchange for the entire house. How the Easy Breathe system works. The Easy Breathe works on the principles of air exchange. It removes stale air, pollutants and moisture from the indoor environment while bringing in fresh air from the outside. This protects your family from mold, toxins, odors, asthma, allergies and overall poor indoor air quality. It powerfully ventilates your home, supporting both the EPA and the American Lung Association's recommendations for ventilation systems that reduce indoor air quality. At Mold Busters, we highly recommend the Easy Breathe ventilation system to all of our clients. Discover more about this piece of equipment or any other product or service we offer by contacting us. Call us at 1-877-566-6653.